Email Marketing 101 Tips and Tricks for Success. Many business owners want to appeal to more potential customers, but they don't want to spend a lot of money to do it. One thing that can be started almost immediately is email marketing. If you have not heard about this cost-efficient, quick way to drum up business, please keep watching. This video can help you get started. Always get permission. Unsolicited email is not welcome, and in certain cases, can get your ISP blocked. When contacting someone, always include a newsletter or an offer, this way the customer has the chance to agree to receive your messages. The last thing you want is to be branded a spammer. When sending an email as part of your marketing campaign, do not use a casual font. You want customers to take your product or business seriously, and they probably will not do that with an uncommon font. Pick out a font that is well known, such as Times Roman numeral, Arial or Verdana. Insert a link to your subscription form into your marketing newsletters. That way, if your customers forward marketing emails to their friends can easily subscribe to your list too. Using this strategy makes it easy for you to build a large list of potential customers who have agreed to receive your marketing emails. When you are having your customers provide their email address to you during the sign-up process, make sure that you have the clear disclaimer visible that you will be undertaking email marketing campaigns. Try to give the consumer an indication of how often you intend to make use of their addresses so that they are not unaware. Email marketing can be useful for business, and can cost half as much as other marketing methods. Email marketing does not cost a lot, so you should use it to your full advantage. Use the tips you have just learned here so you can see some positive results in your own email marketing endeavors. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.